Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're showing you a beautiful little Dorner conveyor today. A lot of you are familiar with this manufacturer. They have a low profile extruded aluminum body, all their conveyors. Fits nicely into tight areas. It's operating at 120 volt, single phase of course. It is variable speed. The lucite was originally came to us on here, or acrylic material. You'll see it's forming the discharge into two lanes in the desired position. It does have variable speed down here on the controller. And of course, it has a reversing function. And will change direction should you need that. We have lots of conveyors, packaging equipment, processing equipment in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.